you can edit a song by clicking on this pencil up on the top right, and you can edit a lot of this meta info, the tags, things like that. The artist, who it's by, the original key, which is going to be the key that it's in as far as the Chord Pro formatting right here, which I'll talk about in a minute. There's also an advanced tab, so you can add information like this, which I usually don't really get into. It's not that big of a deal. Now, when you look at the song, you see this option here, the option to view the chords over the lyrics like this, which is what we're all used to, or they have this language called Chord Pro. And what Chord Pro does is it puts the chord exactly where you want it in the song. Sometimes when you do chords over lyrics, the fonts change, the size changes, all that, and these fonts could actually move over. They could be in the incorrect place on the song. So Chord Pro makes sure that it puts in the chords in these brackets, and it makes sure that they are in the right place in the song. So here you can change chords where they belong. Now, I found what's easier than grabbing and like selecting the chord itself and then cutting it and moving it to a place where I think it should be. What's easier than doing that is going up here and choosing chords over lyrics, and now you can space and move them over. And if you move that one over, then you should move this one back, kind of thing. So this is a little bit more advanced stuff, but it's where you make adjustments to the song itself. And you don't forget to save it. If you just go out, it'll warn you that you're going to close. It says, do you want to close without saving? You say, yes, I want to go ahead and close it. Or you can cancel it, and then don't forget to make the save on the changes. So that is how you would kind of get around that area. And going back to it here, if you wanted to, I prefer the Chord Pro format, but if you wanted to add some chords here, rather than typing them in by hand, like that, you could just choose these chords up here. These are the chords that they found in the song. So you could just choose to do it like that, add some spacing, and create the chords, and then they would show up once you save it. They would show up right here where they belong. So that's how you would kind of mess around with the editing if you ever needed to move some chords around, put them in the right location.